So I hear when the water gets deep, the fish go shallow. Well, I think I've said that wrong. When the water gets deep, the fish get deep, and the water gets low, the fish come up or something like that, right?
Yeah.
I don't remember what it is. We're gonna head it down to a little bit deeper area, so we're kind of rushing too much over there. But again, we're at this little bitty park, man. There's people walk by all the time. They don't know if there's anything in here. We don't even know if there's anything in here right now. But you know, hot dogs always get fish.
Oh yeah.
And I've seen catfish in here before. Seen it.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna walk up a little bit and throw it up here and see what happens, man. Let's get it. All right, I think we got nothing on the line.
Took a bait though.
Yeah. Well, we're out here at the little local creek fishing for catfish. It just rained real hard. We're in Central Texas. We just got hit by a nice thunderstorm. We're kind of just fishing in between showers right now. And we're using the infamous hot dog. Just like that. For some reason, when it rains, that's when all these fish start to come out. When the water's nice and clear at this little creek, we're just at a little softball park here. Little walkway and everything like that. When the water's all clear, they don't want to bite these catfish. You can catch the sunfish and stuff all day, but there's catfish in here too. Got Eli with me.
Yep.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, I think I might actually have something on the pole. Oh no. Yeah, it's a hot dog.
Yeah, your hot dog.
Yeah. Oh, that was embarrassing. All right, let's do it again. All right, let's pick up on the action, man. Yeah, there's a deep channel right there in the middle, man.
Oh yeah.
It goes right down the center. And there's a ridge of rock here and a ridge of rock up there. Oh, that was a bite for real. Yeah. That was a legit bite. Might have took the hot dog from me. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Easy. What you got, man?
I don't know, man. You got a net? How are you gonna get that?
I don't know. You might have to take it over there to the side.
Where?
To the right over there. You're not gonna get him up this side.
Oh, he's a good one.
Hold on, take it easy. I'll have to help you out somehow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't think about that, you guys. You see this, man? That rain brings in these fish over here for some reason. Come on this way, dude. Keep it over the... We're gonna have to try to figure out how to get it down here. I think it's good where you have it. Oh yeah, it's a big old channel. Don't even go that way. Not that way. There's a net in the back of the truck?
Yeah.
Oh man. All right, I'm gonna have to run and grab it, you guys. All right. Hey dude, you sit here and fight him, man.
Got you.
All right, I'll be back. Oh, my phone. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. Here.
Got you.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. Dude,
hell yeah.
hold it up.
Oh. Dude, that motherfucker fought. They're feistier in the fucking floods too, like that.
That's a nice one. We're just doing a catch and release, you guys, today.
Let me not get poked.
Oh, excuse me, guys. I'm out of breath and overweight.
I'm out of breath too. Fighting this dude is hard.
That was cool, you guys.
Oh, good hook set. Yeah. Good easy hook set.
Oh, we're just doing catch and release today.
Yeah. Let's see. Pretty good one. What you think about £1.5 pounds?
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Beautiful catfish. I knew they were in here, brother.
Good.
I told you, man, every time they come in.
Yeah.
Every time it rains over here and the water gets all cloudy like this, these little creeks, man, they fill up with catfish.
Yep.
And they can't help themselves. You know?
Well.
You want to try to get them a release from the top, or you want to kind of walk them down over there a little bit? I think it'd be fine right here.
Yeah.
Just get them right nice and soft to the edge.
Yeah. Right.
Careful.
Here somewhere. Right here should be good.
Cool, man.
Gone.
Thumbs up, everybody.
Go.
Like, subscribe, man.
Oh,
Oscar
yeah.
Outdoors.
Always.
I'll fucking drop my phone and everything. All right, my turn. I want to do it now. I want one. Just careful. Nice catfish, man. Oh,
Yeah.
oh, Eli.
You got your GoPro?
Look at that. Yep.
Same spot, same spot. Same spot.
Look at that, you guys.
Go ahead and get down there.
Yeah. Eli just caught his first one. I just said I wanted one. It's coming this way now. Oh. He's not as big as yours, but
Hey, fish is fish.
all right, dude.
Right in the net. Yep.
Got the net. Got it?
Yep. Okay, this time you're getting them off.
No, this time I gotta get him.
Yep.
All right. Look at that, you guys.
2 catfish one day. Ooh, he's got a little fat belly.
Oh shit. No, baby, now. Oh, dude, this time you gotta run to the truck.
For what?
He swallowed the hook.
Oh. Just cut it.
Well, I don't have any more hooks anyway. Can you hook me up with the bag? I appreciate it. No, you don't have to run. No, we're good. Just take your time. Anyways, I gotta cut the line on this one. Real pretty channel cat.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. Dude, I saw that shit taking it.
For real?
Yeah, it started going out that way, like backwards. That ain't right.
Got you. Ooh. Drop your shot weight like a little lower. Yeah. Like 6 or 7, 8 inches above your hook.
Oh shit, it's like a foot. It was not like that earlier.
So you know what? It seems like we're kind of catching them over here on this side.
Yeah.
I know there's a big deep hole on the left, but for sure there's a channel, and they are channel cats, so
Yeah.
that's what they like to do. And channel cat or catfish in general, most fish, they'll wait in the slack water, which is the water that's a little bit more calm than the rest. And all that fast water right there will wash in food and all kinds of good munchies and stuff for these fish. And all these big predatory fish and scavengers and opportunistic eaters will be down here on the slack water just waiting for food to float in their mouth. So that's what we're kind of doing right now. Catfish number 2 for me. Yeah. Where's the good light at? Is that it? Little channels, baby, all day long. Eli!
Let's go!
Eli! Come here! Hold this, hold this, hold this.
What you got on? Yeah, it does.
Oh, one in that bush. Seriously?
Is it stuck?
Let it go out. There you go. Let me do it again. Yep. Fuck.
Let me see if I can go over there and see him.
I was able to get out. I'm gonna swim out.
Is he out?
I think so. Ah, come on.
Is he?
Dude. He gets stuck right there. Oh, dude, got him. Here, hold on. Keep the action on the fish. Oh, it's a big one, you guys.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's up here.
Go for it. Cool.
Oh, yeah. How long the fuck am I going to be back out?
You can hand me the net. Oh my God. You can pull up with the net. Grab the net handle.
I got this.
There you go. Did you hold that for me, please?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It's the 4th channel cat today, I think, right, guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. It's a good one.
Pretty.
Oh yeah. Let's get some up close shots.
Not bad. Alright. Ready to go in the water?
Yep.
Another nice channel cat, guys. On the little small rivers like this, on a piece of hot dog, y'all. Just wait till it rains a little bit. I know it's local, and you don't think there's fish in here, but there's fish in here.
Oh yeah. What the hell was that?
There's something down there popping around already.
Yep.
Alright, here you go. Ready?
Yep.
In the water.
Gone.
I hurt himself on that rock a little bit. There he goes. Got it on. You don't mind grabbing that? I don't know what the heck that was about. I'm running it in.
Oh, you got something.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Oh yeah. You got, you need me to get on there? Oh, he's little, huh? Oh yeah. Nice little catfish.
And this guy is going back into the water. Thanks for that bite, guy. Alright guys, hey. So we're calling it a day. We got a bunch of little catfish and stuff like that. Let me grab my trash here real quick. Oh, extra hot dog for the water and the fishes.
Not gonna lie, that was a little better trip than I expected.
Yeah, but we're gonna head out. Hope you guys had fun watching, and try to get those catfish in those little bitty local waters, man. With right after it rains, a little piece of hot dog and a little hook. That was it. We came out for about 30 minutes to an hour, caught a bunch of little catfish. It was fun. I'm gonna head back to the house and knock a couple back, y'all. Y'all take it easy, man. Stay tuned. Oscar Outdoors.